Super fun skate moves that you can learn really easy. One is the hex. Be comfortable with shifting to one side. Boop, boop, da, 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 da. So what we're doing here is we are popping our heel out, and as we pop our heel out, we are sending our opposite leg back, popping our heel up. We are popping our toe up and then popping our heel up. Toe pop up, heel pop up. And then center toe, center heel, center toe, center toe, center heel. Toe, toe, heel, toe. 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 And it looks like that. Boop. Okay, super fun way to do a super cute movement. Make sure you do it with music. And that is the hez. It might be the hex. I could be lying. I will double check. That's the hez. And that is it.